Hello, baby. Yeah, this is the Big Bopper speaking. We've got a different aim for our experiment today, and for that we call the aim to determine whether chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. And nature has provided us with numerous guinea pigs to do this experiment. I got mine from the nursery, and it's got the name that I don't want to pronounce, that I can't pronounce, but there it is. But you can see it's a variegated leaf, and some sections of the leaves got chlorophyll because they're green, and some sections don't have chlorophyll because it's almost white. So we have the experiment here and the control. The experiment's got chlorophyll, the control doesn't, and then I destarch this little plant by putting it overnight in a dark space. And then the next morning I put it out in the sun, allow it to get some sunlight for 3 or 4 hours. And after that I take one leaf off and I do the starch test to establish where the starch is formed. Because you remember that we've assumed in our previous experiments, or we've proven that starch is formed when photosynthesis occurred. So then we do the starch test. We boil it for 15 minutes in hot water. Then we boil it for a few minutes in alcohol to extract the chlorophyll. Then we quickly dip it in the hot water to make it soft, spread it out, and then we drip a few drops of iodine solution on it. And I've got a huge surprise for you. I've done it this morning, and there you can see. There's my variegated leaf that I did the starch test on. And you can see some of the sections got where the chlorophyll was. It's got like it darkened there, decolored into purple or black. I think it's more black than purple. And those sections that didn't have chlorophyll, the white sections, there's no decoloration there, and therefore no starch has been formed there. That's very interesting. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.